In the middle of the vast seas of Stern Samar, there is a quiet island slowly telling the story of a simple life. A place not often visited, yet filled with beauty and stories.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog! For today's video, we're taking you to a hidden gem, Hilabaan Island! Ano? Tara!
Being an island, Hilabaan Island is mainly accessible by boat. Transportation depends on sea travel, making connectivity a bit limited but also part of its unique charm. Hilabaan Island is an island barangay located in the municipality of Dolores. It is home to nearly 3,000 residents, a community living a simple yet meaningful life. It consists of the main island along with nearby islets such as Sitio Butnga and Sitio Kaibani. Here, the sea is the heart of everyday life. Fishing is the main source of income for many families. Small businesses like sari-sari stores and local trading also support the community's economy. Through simple, their livelihood is sustainable and closely connected to nature. Despite its remote location, life on the island is slowly improving. Before, electricity depended only on generators, but now solar energy is helping power the community. Distance is not a barrier to education here. At Hilabaan National High School and other schools on the island, the youth continue to be shaped for their future. One of the most lively places in Hilabaan Island is its community plaza. This is where people gather to relax, talk, and enjoy each other's company. The barangay hall serves as the center of governance and public service. This is where community concerns are addressed and local development begins. For healthcare, the island has its own health center.
Even in a remote area, the well-being of people is a priority.
Access to clean water is also essential in daily life. A local water station supplies safe and clean water for the community, a simple resource but vital for health and living. The church is one of the hearts of the community, a place not only for faith but also for unity. Even as a remote island, Hilabaan Island is connected to the global world through technology, communication, and overseas Filipino workers. The community links to opportunities beyond the island. Fishing and local resources also contribute to trade and economic exchange.
So ngayon, pupuntahan natin ang number 1 spot ng Hilabaan Island, ang Sapaw. Ano? Tara!
So, ang pangalawa nating pupuntahan ngayon ni spot dito sa Labaan Island ay ang Dadhikan kung saan makikita sa Kaibani. Ano, tara? So, ang pangatlo nating pupuntahan ay ang Darnasan. Ano, tara? Ngayon, tapos na natin puntahan ang mga kilala na pinupuntahan ng mga turista. So ngayon, samahan nyo kami na mag-interview ng mga taga-Hilabaan kung ano ang kanilang hanap buhay at ang iba pang impormasyon. Ate, pwede ka po bang ma-interview? Sure. Para sa iyo po, ano ang mayroon dito sa Hilabaan na wala sa ibang barangay?
First of all, masasabi ko na meron dito sa ating isla na wala doon sa ibang barangay ay yung pinagmamalaki nating white sand. Bakit? Dahil kadalasan na ating nakikita ng mga barangay or mga barangay ay hindi lahat may white sand. Lalo na halimbawa sa Hapitan, sa barangay Dapdap, alam naman natin yung yung buhangin nila na hindi tulad sa atin. Kaya isa yun sa ating ipinagmamalaki ng mga taga-isla ng barangay Hilabaan.
So, ngayong papalapit po na summer, ano ang unang mo may rekomenda sa mga may balak magbakasyon dito sa inyong lugar?
Para sa akin, kasi alam naman natin na taga dito ako, unang-una na aking may recommend ay yung Dadhikan na doon makikita sa sityo ng Kaibani dahil maraming opportunity kapag tayo ay mag-take ng pictures and then kapag mahilig ka sa surfing, maganda doon kasi yung alon mas malaki.
Ano ang pangunahing kabuhayan nyo dito?
Pangisda.
Magkano ang kita ninyo kada buwan?
Pindi sa panahon. Minsan may maganda na pag kumita ka ng 10,000 kaya 5,000.
Anong oras kayo madalas pumapalaot?
Madaling araw, mga alas 2 o kaya alas 3.
In a world that moves so fast, there are still places that remind us what truly matters. If you're looking for a peaceful destination, a place to truly unwind, reconnect with nature, or even opportunities for community-based development, Hilabaan Island is worth visiting. It's not just a destination, it's an experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next vlog.